Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mad and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. How are you my dear subscribers and all my viewers? I hope you all are well and fine. So if you are new here, I will request all of you please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our all latest fashion related content. Today we are showcasing the most stunning plus size mother of the bride dresses, modeled by the gorgeous Russian model. From elegant lace to sophisticated chiffon, we have got you covered. Our plus size mother of the bride dresses are designed to make you feel confident and beautiful on your special day. My beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Plus size mothers of bride dresses, from classic design to moderns, we have got something for every style and budget. So if you need help finding your dream dresses, our expert tips will guide you through the process from measuring your body to finding the perfect shade of white. So my beautiful viewers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest fashion videos. Follow us for more plus size fashion inspiration and let's celebrate beauty in all shape and size. So my beautiful viewers, you can see here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. Plus size women come in all shapes and size, and finding the right dresses style can make all the difference. So let's explore the different body types and the dresses style that flatter them. From maxi dresses to bodycon dresses, we are covering the latest trends in plus size fashion. Find out what's on and what's not and how to style your dresses for maximum impact. Shopping for plus size dresses can be challenging, but these tips with tricks you will be a pro in no time. Learn where to shop, what to look for, on how to find the perfect dresses for your body type. Once you found your perfect dresses, it's time to style it. Learn how to accessorizing and a pop of color and make your dresses stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching everyone. Remember, fashion is all sizes, and with these tips and tricks you can rock and dresses like a pro. Thank you very much. Take care.